You know what's been driving me absolutely crazy lately? This one particular squirrel in my garden. I swear this little rascal has made it its life's mission to destroy everything I've planted. Every single morning I look out my window and there it is, methodically digging up every seed I carefully planted the day before. At first I thought it was kind of cute, watching this fluffy-tailed acrobat doing its thing. But after the third time replanting my entire garden, not so much. This squirrel, I kid you not, seems to have some kind of sixth sense. The moment I turn my back, it's there, treating my garden like his personal all-you-can-eat buffet. I tried everything. Talking to it, yes, I actually tried reasoning with a squirrel, leaving out alternative food sources, even doing a little dance to scare it away. Nothing worked. This little guy was persistent, I'll give it that. It just sit there on the fence, watching me with those beady eyes, probably thinking, "Challenge accepted, human." But then finally I found the solution. After hours of research and multiple failed attempts, I discovered the magic combination: chicken wire and bird netting. Let me tell you, it's been a game changer. I placed chicken wire all around my garden, using post, making sure to secure it well, and then covered larger areas with bird netting. The look on that squirrel's face when it encountered its new obstacle course? Priceless. It tried. Oh boy, did it try, but couldn't get through. Now it just sits on the fence, giving me what I'm pretty sure is the squirrel equivalent of a death stare. But hey, my seeds are finally safe and my garden is actually growing. So if you're dealing with your own garden raiding squirrel, trust me on this one. Chicken wire and bird netting are your new best friends. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. And as for my squirrel nemesis, well, we've reached a kind of detente. It moved on to terrorizing my neighbor's bird feeder instead.